and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I hope you are all staying safe and doing well with all the day-to-day distractions that we might find ourselves battling. I invite you to take a time out with me. As the temperatures get colder, leaves begin to fall and days get shorter, I will be sharing with you my hearty fall chicken thighs and roasted vegetables. When I made my fall chicken thighs, my children were not feeling the roasted veggies. Therefore, I quickly shifted gears and made them a delicious chicken sandwich instead, and of course they loved it. My husband and I were able to enjoy my very light but hearty meal. A hearty serving were enough for 2 people, but feel free to double or triple this serving. The combinations of the vegetables and seasonings were perfect for a cool, crisp fall day or winter's day. It just felt like safety. So come, comfort yourself and your family. Come spend time with me in the kitchen, and let's fall in love with this dish. Thanks so much for all of your support and watching.